Pranam to everybody, my salutations to all of you. Yoga and yoga. Actually, it is yoga. Yoga se chitta vritti nirodha. Ashtanga yoga, Patanjali darshan are part of yoga darshan. Nowadays, lot of people follow yoga, which has Ashtanga yoga, yam, niyam, आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि 8 steps 8 limbs yoga. Yama means code of conduct, like ahimsa, sat, aste, aparigraha, brahmacharya. These are the 5 fundamentals of rules for conducting a nice yoga life. Ahimsa means non-violence. Sat means speak the truth. Aparigraha means not to accumulate too much wealth. Brahmacharya is celebration. Ahimsa, sat, aste, not to steal. So those people who follow any of one, normally yoga has to be conducted by 5 tenets of this philosophy. Gandhi adopted only ahimsa and he became the father of the nation. This is the concept of yoga. So, aste means not to steal. Not to steal means not to, if something is lying, you cannot take it away. You should try to find the real owner of the product. Sat means satyam vada priyadam vada. Aparigraha, aste. So these are the 5 fundamental rules of the yoga, code of conduct of yoga philosophy. Then niyama. Niyama is shauch. Shauch includes cleansing of your entire body by going to toilet, cleaning by upper wash, lower wash, kunjal, shank prakshalan, neti, dhoti. These are the 5 shauch kriyas. What is neti? What is kunjal? Kunjal is like upper wash, like the name is elephant. Kunjal means the elephant goes in the tank, drinks water and throws away. That's why we take 3 glass, 4 glass water every day and we take it out from upper wash. So it is the upper wash. Then neti is from the nose. Rava neti, sutra neti, jal neti, dugdha neti, git neti. So first we try to clean our nose by putting a thread inside and then clean. So that will make your nose very clean. नाक कान और दांत में रोग न होए कोई, उज्जवल होवे नैन ही जित नेति कर सोई. Those who practice this neti every day, naak, kaan or daant, these are the 3 basic. Nose, your tongue, naak, kaan or daant, your teeth, they will be remain healthy. Naak ujjal hovi naini. Those who perform neti every day, normally I am not using specs at the age of 78. That means neti is helping me. So Sut neti, jal neti, dugdha neti. If you drink milk from your nose, I became bald, but after drinking milk from nose, I have started gratting my hair on my clean. I was a bald person, so this is also very important. So then Swadhyay. As a yogi or as a normal person, whatever time you have, try to study some good script or some rules, regulation, books on different subjects, which enhances your mental aura. Mental aura is very important in yoga. That's why I said in the beginning, yoga se chitta vritti nirodha. So that means your mind, your senses, like you have 5 karma indriya, 5 jnana indriya. What are jnana indriya? Jnana indriya is smell, touch, look, ear. So these are your smell, taste. 5 jnana indriya, senses of knowledge. So as soon as you try to understand the nature of your senses, your mind will be bound to stable, free and stay above from lust, greed and wish. What is desire, lust and greed? These will be automatically indisciplined. So, these are the five senses of knowledge. Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, all become in rest. So, those who practice pranayama, in all our Indriyas there is prana. Upaprana, mukha prana remains in our heart. So, heart is pumping for blood purification and prana, apana, vyana, samana, udana. These are the five prana which are staying in our Jnanendriya. So what will happen if your Jnanendriya resting, your mind is bound to rest. When your mind is resting, that means your mind finally you practice asana. Now I will show you some of the important asanas. Just look. The most important asana is Savasana. You lie down on your back and you are like dead body. You have no senses in any part of your body. That means you are a dead person. This is called Savasana or corpse posture. I will show you some few asanas. Uttan Padasana. 1, 2. Inhale, go up. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. After every posture, try to relax for some time. I am now showing you Uttan Padasana. So relax. Next is boat posture called Naukasana. This posture is very good for your stomach, diabetes, makes the pancreas very strong. Those who are suffering with sugar, diabetes problem, I am very sure that if you practice regularly 5 to 6 asana, this will be making your pancreas very strong and your belly button will be centralized because some people are having problem of belly button. The belly button is centric, then it's good. If it moves right, left, down, up, then it is going to harm you. So practice at least 5 times. Okay. Asana and Upasana. The counter posture of this Naukasana is Set Bandhu Asana or Kandrasana. This asana is very good for your spine, for your back, spondylitis, and for Kundalini. Then make crocodile posture, Makarasana. Again relax. Mudrakars. Again relax. This is very effective for your joints, for your stomach, for your back. I will always suggest that every moment you practice asana, then practice shavasana, corpse posture. Those who have no time to go for running, for jogging, I have simplified engine race. It improves the power of your joints and lungs, make your lungs stronger. Those who have problem in the back, Trikonasana. Kati Chakrasana. This is very good for your stomach. If your stomach having any constipation and indigestion, this asana is very good. If you have a gastric problem, Pavana Muktasana. Rolling. Your massage of this back is automatically performed when you are practicing Pavan Muktasana. Now I sit again in Vajrasana. Vajrasana, it is very effective for your digestion system, and then you can practice Upasana called Mandukasana for your stomach. Three to five times. Upasana, Mandukasana, frog posture. You might be knowing that frog has a very long life. Normally, human being is inhaling and exhaling 15 times in 1 minute, and frog is doing only 3 times in 1 minute. So the age of frog is longer than human being, 4 times, 5 times. And frog, you know that in rainy season only they come out. Rest of the time they are in hibernation. They disappear on the earth, and when water goes in their pit, then they come out. Otherwise, they are inside. So it has 5 different postures. By practicing frog posture, your stomach can become very, very subtle, very soft. पेट नरम पैर गरम, सिर रहे ठंडा. फिर कोई डॉक्टर बीमारी की बात करे तो उसको जोर से मारो डंडा. ये इसका सिस्टम. दिस इज द सिस्टम. इफ योर स्टमक इज सॉफ्ट, your feet are warm, your head is cool, that means you have no disease. Now come to the back problem, Ushtrasana. Lying Aramantic is very good for your lungs, for diabetes, for back. So now I have talked to you about some asana. So Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama. Pranayama is what? Inhaling, exhaling, retaining. See, If you have any cold cough problem, inhale from the right side. This is called alternate breathing, Loma Bloma Nadi Sodhana. Means you purify your respiratory system. That is called Lom Blom Nadi Sodhan Pranayama. If you want to practice pranayama in cold weather, try to inhale from the right side. This is retaining the breath. Pranayama is Sitali, Sitkari, Suryabhedi, Chandrabhedi, Brahmari, Vastrika and Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati makes your brain effective, memory very strong, and any kind of problem, including chronic disease. People even claim that if your cancer is first stage, by Kapalbhati, by Vastrika, you can claim that your cancer can be even purified. So now what I am going to talk to you, dhyana. Pranayama, pratyahara, dhyana. You make a particular, for students it's very good. If you want to concentrate, you want to be meditative, you want to improve your memory, dharana is very important. ध्यान करे सब देवी देवा, ध्यान करे सो पावे मेवा. All the except one God, Shiva. Everybody is in meditation, then you can connect with all. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesa. God is generation, organization and destruction. That is why it's called God. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Brahma is creator, Vishnu is preserver, organizer, and Shiva is destroyer, destroying all your egos. 64 योगन गावत नित्य करते भैरव. Out of 64 yogins, the worldwide, 21 are given to Brahma, 21 is given to the Vishnu, and rest 21 is also given to Shiva. Shiva is destroyer. After destruction, who will going to accept all the refuse, all the destroyed material of the world? Shiva. विष पीने वाले हैं. शिवा ही सबसे इटर्नल गॉड है. तो शिव का ध्यान करेंगे और गणपति का ध्यान करेंगे. मेडिटेट ऑन गणपति. All your obstacles will be removed. I think you start practicing, and if you need any guidance, I am always ready. Professor Dr. D.S. Agarwal, Shri Shri Yogi Ji, बालाजी कल की धाम में आइए. You are welcome here near GT Metro Gate 2, and you can get all the guidance. You can take my number 72909018892226612626. Thank you very much for listening my small video. If you like it, please share it. I think yoga is the best. Keep your healthy, wealthy and wise. If you are healthy, you can be wealthy and you can be wise. This is my submission. Try to follow some rules of be natural. Life, nature is good. Thank you very much.